Hello, Jeff. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much for your special order on this incredible 2021 gray Sprinter van with the gasoline engine. Can't wait till you can come up on Friday. This does have the LED headlights that you had us order for you. Also with your with the fog lights. Let's get the safety sensors here in the front bumper. We got the chrome grille. And you wanted the 360 camera, so one of the cameras, Jeff, is right here underneath the 3-point star. And we'll come around here to the passenger side. So we got the Michelin tires on this van for you. I know you wanted some really good tires when we had our conversation when we built the van and special ordered it. And we've got the catch right in the center for you, so the door will open up halfway and all the way. It's got the nice hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating. It's got the paneling that you wanted to protect the walls. It's got the skylights too, which are really cool. During the day, it'll give you the extra light that you'll need to see you know, your items inside the van. And then we'll come around the back. So you had me order the van with the trailer hitch and the step right here. I'll tell you, Jeff, you'll be able to tow a 5,000-pound trailer behind this as well. And then your backup camera is just up here above the third brake light. And we did the 270-degree door option for you. So your doors will latch in place at 90 degrees. And they also open up 270 degrees for you. This new style hinge too that they put on, you don't have the magnets on the walls like your older Sprinter van. They have designed these hinges so there's a latch built right in, so they'll stay in place. We'll come around here to the driver's side. So we did the dual sliding doors for you. We have your driver's side slider. This one has the latch midway too. And then it opens all the way up for you. So you'll have easy access in and out of the back of the van. What a really nice choice you made here, Jeff. This is a very, very nice Sprinter van. Your fuel, so the fuel capacity is a little bit less than your predecessor Sprinter like you already have. It's a 24.5 gallon tank. And back when you had yours, it was just a little over 25 gallons. So it's about 3/4 of a gallon difference. Got the leatherette seating. We have your, the seat heater switches are right here, one here and one on the passenger side. Heated electric mirrors. We have cruise control. And then, Jeff, I want to save the rest of the details when you come up on Friday to go over the rest of the van. I'm excited to meet you, and I can't wait for you to get here. So my name's Roger, and my cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much, Jeff.